Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Today we're going to open up an Illumineer's Trove box of Into the Inklands. So let's get started. So the first thing we got in here is our collector's box to hold all your goodies. Alright, and we have dice. Great, that's D6, got 6 D6 in there to mark your damage with. Here are our packs, 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 packs of Into the Inklands. Oh, this I think is dividers. Let's have a look at them. So by now you have lots and lots of Lorcana cards. You're filling out that collector's box with all different types, and this will help you separate them by color. Very nice. Okay, let's see what else. There's something else in here. Oh, this looks naturally. This is the decoder from. This is your Little Orphan Annie decoder, but you can also use it to track lore points with. Let's see what happens when you get up to 20. Resets. Okay. Very good. That's it. Empty box otherwise. So, actually I kind of like this spinner. It is pretty cool. Alright, let's open up our packs and see what goodies lie ahead. Reposition that a little bit so you don't see the trash on my table. Okay, yeah, so they've inserted these rules cards in the packs explaining how locations work. And locations are new in Inklands. By the way, these are square cornered. I think I've seen these with rounded corners, but I might be wrong. Anyway, let's check out our cards. We have our commons, Magic Broom, Grandma Tella. Olympus would be that way. Olympus would be that way. Olympus would be that way. Peter Pan. Cubby. Quick Patch. Friar Tuck as uncommon. There's our first Inkland, or land, or whatever. This is the Sorcerer's Tower for 3 at 2/7. Your characters named Magic Broom may move here for free. Characters get +1 lore while here. Okay. 99 puppies, and a pug ain't one. That's too bad. Okay, we got Gustav the Giant as a rare. And we have Madame Medusa as a super rare. And our foil is a rare Stratos Titan, our Tornado Titan. Very cool. Okay. On to pack 2. We have the Firebird. Repair. Chief Tui. He was succeeded by Chief 3. Moana. Strike a good match. And there's a common land, Neverland. But it's sometimes land. I thought it was always land. but it is Neverland, in fact. Starkey, Scrooge McDuck, Rise of the Titans, and a rare land. Is that Real's Legacy or RLS Legacy? That's the RLS Legacy. Yeah, that's the ship. It is a solar galleon, in fact. We have Morph. And for our full, we have Rise of the Titans. Pack 3. Oh, I just noticed something. Let me... Okay, move that over a little bit. Okay, we have Magica Dispel, Common, Distract, Nottingham, Voyage, Bestow a Gift, Kidda, Kidda. We have a Dive Bomb. Dang it, box, you're getting in my way, box top. Dive Bomb, the Queen, the Bayou, a rare Minnie Mouse. Minnie Mouse, what's that? Musical Artist, okay. Scrooge McDuck, the richest duck in the world, is a super rare. The richest duck in the whole wide world. And Iago as a foil. Okay, let's keep it going. Flotsam, Kid Cloud Kicker, Kata, Deladuck, DeVille Manor, Cruella DeVille's house, Patch, Magica Dispel as an uncommon, Queen of Hearts, Wildcat, Mama Odie, the Lamp, and a full Sir Hiss. Alright. Guess it's better to be hissed off than hissed on. Pua, Vault Door, Eeyore, Stitch, Milo Thatch, Cleansing Rainwater. It calls me. What does it call you? I don't know. Okay. Ursula, Scroop, and a rare Maui's Palace of Exile. On your feet. Meow. What do we want? Race car sounds. When do we want them? Meow. Okay. Enough of that. Friar Tuck as a foil. Got 3 more packs to go here. I will say I do like the 6d6 and the spin down counter better than I did the little deck boxes that used to come with the dang it, what are they called? With the Illumineer's Trove, because those deck boxes were just cheap, you know. I hate to say it, but they were. Forbidden Mountain, Mickey Mouse, Rufus, Billy Bones, Zazu, Miss Bianca, and our uncommons. We have Motu Nui, Nala, and the Sumerian Talisman. We have Grandma Tala as a legendary. Yay, legendary. Just put it right over there because why not? Oh, and another legendary, Jim Hawkins. Okay, and a full common, Kata. I don't know whether it's Kidda or Kata, but I know someone in real life named Kata, so Kata it shall be for me. Okay, we have Lena Saberwing, McDuck Manor, Minnie Mouse, Agrabah, Don Carnage, Orville, Mama Odie, Dewey, Simba. You know, Dewey was known for his decimal system the most. Yep. That and for being a nephew of Scrooge McDuck. Cursed Merfolk. Wait. Nephew of Donald Duck. Or is... You know what? I'm going to have to look at the Duck family tree because I seem to have forgotten. Cursed Merfolk. And a super rare Shinzi. And a full Grandma Tala. Alrighty. Are we on our last pack? We are. This is the last pack. So, lucky pack. Lucky. But then, again, the one with 2 legendaries in it was pretty lucky too. So maybe that was the lucky pack. Okay. Diablo. Pluto. Baboom. Jim Hawkins. Airfoil. That's Cloud Kicker's Airfoil. Thank you very much. A Dalmatian Puppy. Wendy Darling. Wendy Darling, would you be so nice as to bring the tea? Friar Tuck. A Jolly Roger. Stratos. Heart of Atlantis. And a full 99 puppies. Good deal. Alright, so that's it for this Illumineer's Trove. I think maybe the highlights were the full Stratos Tornado Titan. And where's our legendaries? Right over here. We had the legendary Jim Hawkins and legendary Grandma Tala. Alright. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day. And remember, Jesus loves you. Bye-bye.